Video?
I'm videoing.
Okay. Recording?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we're feeding bus 1. This is manual fill, and all you have is just a process timer. Bus 1 drain start stop. So basically the customer will fill it to the desired level. There is no liquid level in the lock or anything like that. They have to fill it, okay, manually, to whatever solution they need. If they want to change the time on the process, just press start to start it, stop to stop it. To change the settings, press stop and reset simultaneously. P1 is process 1, basically it's process 1 period. You can adjust it using the arrows up and down to whatever minute you need it, right, like so. Once it's set, press stop reset, and that will save it into the EEPROM, and you can use it. Let it go. Okay. To drain the bath, all you have to do is press drain start. To stop it, press drain stop. There is no timer, there is no interlock, no nothing. Okay? So whatever it drains, bath number 1, it drains into the plenum. Okay? Bath number 2 goes into a dedicated drain. And the QDR dumps into the plenum. As you can see, everything is labeled. Should be like in the front, like this, maybe again. Everything is labeled. We're gonna clean this obviously once we ship it. Okay. And this is just a QDR, quick dump rinser. We can see it with a couple of dumps. There it is. We're gonna run it for 3 cycles. Okay. While it's doing that, we can see the in the bottom here. As you can see, it will be dumping into the plenum. The bath itself doesn't have a drain. This is just a second containment drain, and it's you can drain it using this ball valve. It's manual, okay? And as you can see, all the valves are labeled same way. Then we have the second QDR, which also dumps in the plenum. And then we have baths 4 and 5, which they both have their manual valves, so you can drain it from here. But the tank itself doesn't have a drain. It has to be pumped out or something. Okay. Right now we have a centrifugal pump that keeps the chemical or the solution recirculating, and right now it's in process. When this is first start running, you have to enter all the settings you want, right? There is no password needed, no nothing special. Just click and set it, and that's it. To clear up the amps per minute totalizer, just press the pin. Are you sure you want to clear it? Yes. It's 0 now. Press the start to process it, and it will start processing. And you can see the voltage there changing. If you change the settings, you can change the settings on the fly. 12 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts, 18 volts, 18 volts. It is the same with the current, but right now we don't have a load on the power supply. We're gonna have like a shunt or something, so this, but it works. Just to test it, I have a motor over here. I have a motor that I hook up, and I need at least 20 volts to run this motor. Okay. So you can see it. Actually, I think they disconnected it. It is connected, so let's check it out. See? see the current changing here?
Yep.
Yeah, that's just for us to test it because we don't have a way to check the current if we don't have a load. So,
right.
So that's the way we're doing it. Okay? But it's working, as you can see.
Jumping.
Yep.
And showing up again. Okay.
It's gonna feel it one more time. It's gonna finish the cycle.
Let's get that filling up real quick.
Right now we set it so it will fill up with our current pressure. But if the customer has less pressure or less flow, they may have to adjust the time. Okay. The end of the process for timer 1.
Okay. So we have two QDRs.
Yep.
That's almost to the top. We'll let it jump, and that's all I need on this one.
That's it. The end of the cycle.
All right.
Okay. So we're gonna make a quick process, just so you know what happens when it times out. Okay. I'm gonna set it up for 0 minutes. And we're gonna do like 30 seconds. Okay. Everything stops, okay, and it sits a lot. So the empty bubbles stop, the agitation stops, the output for the power supply stops, and it's telling you how far it's been stopped for. That's a lot, okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And I just forgot to hook up the buzzer. I'm supposed to hear a buzzer right now.